hot now to cold, but actually a not so good story. Scientists have been monitoring an area in the Brunt Ice Shelf area of Western Antarctica, which is right there. And it's also near the base of the British Antarctic Survey. So this is the area, and they've been watching this crack that's been appearing in the ice shelf. That's the extent of it from in January 23rd of this year, and there's also another crack just to the north of it. Okay, so how far is it away? Well, we can look at the next slide. It's only about 3 miles, and when those two cracks intersect, that whole ice shelf will carve away into a giant iceberg, and in an area called McDonald Rumpels, which is right there. And here's a picture of it. It's the intersection of those two ice sheets. And we're going to go to the next slide and just see how much of it will carve away. It's an area of 660 square miles of iceberg. And the Brunt iceberg will be equivalent to the land area of 2 New York cities.
New York City?
Yes.
This is America. We measure things in Delawares.
Okay, so if we're going to go there, it's 3 Brunt ice shelves for 1 Delaware. But, you know, here we're in the West Coast, and so, you know, for us, East Coast challenged people, and no offense to any East Coasters who are in the audience right now, we measure things in Los Angeles, city of Los Angeles, that is. So a Brunt iceberg is equivalent to 1.3 city of Los Angeles.
It's pretty big.
It's pretty large, yeah. So we go to the next slide, and always coming back to that Delaware theme, you know. 3.642, city of Los Angeles, 1 Delaware. But Delaware has nothing on us because the county of Los Angeles is 2.398 Delawares. So there.
So that